Hello, my name is Graham Edwards, along with my mate Darren Calvin and the team. We started this truck show on Salt Lake Car Park approximately 10 years ago. We had, I think, 25-30 trucks. We collected 1,700 pounds. Since then we've gone bigger and bigger. We've had all sorts of weather in Porthcawl. For collecting from different charities. We handed over the best part of £30,000 over the years, and now we're on board with the Sir Gareth Edwards cancer charity, raising money for children. When we hand money over to Gareth Edwards, every penny is accounted for, and he'll tell us exactly where it's gone. So this is the Porthcawl truck garage in Sandy Bay. If any of the older people don't know where it is, it's where the old dirty deck used to be, down on the caravans.